Valerie Chambers with HoltonWise. I'm here today to discuss with you termination of your property management agreement. So sometimes it happens. Sometimes we're just not the right fit and a property management agreement needs to be terminated. Here's the process. We do not lock people in to long contracts. We have short 12-month contracts that can be terminated with a 30-day written notice. Any applicable fees will be listed in your property management agreement. We do need the full 30 days though to process this termination. From getting you keys, leases, final accounting, all of this takes time. So I understand that it feels very urgent to you, but please know to ensure the best transition from our management into whatever you need to do next requires that full 30 days. Any specific requests for your termination can be directed either to myself at Property Management at HoltonWise or to your assistant property manager. We need all of this in writing, such as who we are allowed to release keys to, along with who you would like release of information to. Your authorized representative can pick up keys at our office during our normal operating hours. Please note that this person will be required to show a photo ID at time of key pickup. Also, all final accounting is done at the end of the month, as with all other accounting that HoltonWise handles. You will be required to sign a termination agreement via dot loop before any funds are released to you. It is also important to note that we only release funds to you, the owner. We will not release funds to a property management company for security deposits or any other related items. Be sure to follow the HoltonWise Instagram page to see our tenant-focused advertising. Also, subscribe to the HoltonWise YouTube channel to be sure to catch all of our real estate related content, education, and hot properties for sale. As always, Valerie Chambers with HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.